Hi everyone, I'm Lili at West Coast Sweat, and I'm here to talk to you about eagle posture today. So eagle posture is the third posture that we do in the series. First one, you're gonna balance on one foot, right? So there's a lot going on there with balancing and really twisting your body. So many amazing benefits. You're opening up the major joints of your body, really flushing everything out of the body right from the start, right? The beginning of the class. So let's get started, starting with your feet together. Bring the arms over the head. When you bring the right arm underneath the left arm, really swing the arms so you can get a good cross at the elbows and then at the wrist. So when you really tighten your shoulders or your upper body, it's gonna be a little difficult to get those hands close together, right? But what I want you to do first is bring your hands in front of your face. Once you have them in front of your face, pull your elbows down. Now, if your fingertips don't line up, you could always interlock the fingers, squeeze them tight to try to get that tighter twist, and then open the hands back up. So hands in front of the face, keep looking forward so that your chest is up. And then sit down. Sit down, bring the hips back, keep the hips down there, lift your leg. Right leg high up and over the left leg. So the higher you lift, you'll notice it'll make it easier to wrap the foot around. But if you don't today, no worries, just keep pointing the toes in the direction. Whether you're wrapping the foot around or working towards that, you're still squeezing. So squeeze everything tight right now, really massaging the lymph nodes in your upper body as well as your lower body, flushing everything out. So helpful with varicose veins right here as well. Squeeze like if they're two wet ropes with your legs. Keep pulling the elbows down. Feel that wonderful stretch on your shoulders, your upper back. Sit down low, hold it right there, breathing normal. And then you come out. To really work those arms, I think it's really helpful to make a good swing as you cross at the elbows, right? To try to get the most out of that right there. So if you have any questions about this posture, please post it in the comments or ask me next time you see me at the studio.